Here we are at the Lansing, Michigan Crowne Plaza Hotel. We're going to do a quick room tour here. Just came in room 424. Now the hotel is in the middle of a pretty substantial renovation, so things are not the way they normally, quote unquote, are. I want to take a look at this light switch first. You get one of these little cards when you come in, how to light up your room. I guess, I don't know exactly what the point is. I guess it's to save electricity if there's nobody here. But you have to put either this card in a little groove or put your room key. The bathroom is motion sense. Let's see how this works. Ooh, look at that, sure is. It kicks on when motion is detected. These are completely redone since I was here last. Definitely the right height, reusable bottles, great shape. Sink is in great shape as well. It's rather hot. Low flow, but it's okay, I guess. Cold. Our reusable bottles again. And we'll take a look at the entire room here. Pretty nice. Now coming back through, used to be where the sink used to be, or this used to be where the sink used to be. It's now the coffee bar. There's a nice Keurig here. Pretty good condition there. It looks brand new, honestly. Nice and clean. Is this our fridge? Yep, here's our fridge. Looks pretty clean. Sorry for the somewhat shaky video. I'm still holding on to my stuff. Yep, and it's cold. Nice little touch here. Sliding door. There's a steamer there, it says. I might try that later. Actually, I'm going to have to because all my clothes are all folded up. Now coming into the main room, we have two queens. Again, this has been entirely redone. The wallpaper is new. Carpeting is new. A nice work table here in the middle. Yep, USB-A and USB-C connectors there. Two outlets, and a queen size bed. Working desk. When we look outside, look at the view of Capri Drive in Lansing, Michigan. Overlooking the front door here. Again, they're doing the renovation, so they're taking a lot fewer guests right now. So the parking lot's pretty empty, as to be expected. And a huge TV. I have no idea what this measurement is, but it looks gigantic. Let me put my bags down here. We'll take a look at the bedding. All right, we're gonna come over here and take a look at one of these beds. Sheets are looking pretty good. I would imagine these are new beds, mattresses as well, since they're doing the renovation. I don't know that for certain. This is clearly one of the renovated rooms. Hard to tell. It looks pretty new though. Nice soft pillow top there, but firm underneath. Should be pretty good. I'll leave a comment here or a title here for how things held up for me during my stay. A little padded base there. Oh, it looks like there's lights up here. It's an LED strip. Oh, it's that one. So then, oh, here we go. Here's the switch for these. Yeah, that looks good. I may or may not be able to get some footage of the rest of the hotel. We'll see based on the construction stuff. There is a restaurant here called Bordeaux, but it's closed right now for renovations as well through the end of 2025, I think is what the front desk told me. Or let me rephrase that. The actual sit-down restaurant part is closed. You'll see in the footage going up the elevator that they've moved some tables out into the lobby, and room service is of course available as well. But in terms of the large traditional restaurant that we're used to. That part is closed right now. And they moved the bar down to the foyer as well. So if I'm able to get any more video, I'll insert it here. But otherwise, things are looking pretty good here at the renovations at the Crowne Plaza. Thanks for watching, everybody. Leave your comments.